ये देखो ये क्या है।
आपको गिरा ना देना बस गिर जाता है।
ये देखा देखो अंदर दबे जा रहा है, नहीं हो रहा।
Hey guys, welcome back to Feast with Anna. Today we're here in Taunsa Barrage to enjoy and have fun and share our experiences with you. So watch till end and stay connected. So the weather is quite beautiful in here and the wind is blowing very nicely. So here we're going down. So there were boats to ride and many other things. So it was a holiday, so many people were there, and so we decided to go to another side. So the weather is very cloudy and very calm. So the water is very cool and the sand is so soft. So the flow of water was not that much high, but as the time passed, it was getting a little bit higher. As you can see, water is coming more closer to us. The water is very cool and very nice. It feels heavenly beautiful and really satisfying. If you still haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, so subscribe it and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get every new update of our channel. Now it's time to go back. Today is the birthday of my brother, so we came here to celebrate it. But because of that much crowd, I don't think so that the food will be nice here. So we're going back to our city and we will enjoy the food there in the restaurant. So there's greenery everywhere and it's so refreshing. There are flowers and greenery everywhere. There are small huts where you can sit and order food, but we're not going to order. We're going back to our home and then we'll go to the restaurant and eat there. Now we're going to see 3D motion ride. Now we have come back, but we didn't came direct to the restaurant. First we went to our home so that we can get refreshed, and now we are here. Now we have ordered our food and we're waiting for it to come. So it was night time and the sky was really dark, and in this restaurant there are many cats wandering around for food. Now our food has arrived. We ordered some alot body. Here is some chicken and some mutton and sea kebabs. So the food was quite amazing and I really loved it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button. Take care and Allah Hafiz.